Hello everyone! Today I'm going to discuss 6 facts and secrets about Frontierland at Magic Kingdom that you may not know about. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to stay up to date with the latest in Disney videos. Frontierland is the area of the Magic Kingdom where you can experience the wildest ride in the wilderness, and a lot of other rootin' tootin' fun. The theme taken from the Wild West is a lot of fun and is an experience that you won't find many other places. Here are 6 really great facts and secrets about Frontierland. Number 6. Frontierland was Walt Disney's concept. Walt was a major driving force behind the creation of Frontierland at Disneyland, which is the same theme and concept that we also have at the Magic Kingdom in Walt Disney World. Frontierland. It is here that we experience the story of our country's past, the colors, romance, and drama of frontier America as it was developed from wilderness trails to roads, riverboats, railroads, and civilization. A tribute to the faith, courage, and ingenuity of our hardy pioneers who blazed the trails and made this progress possible. Walt Disney, 1955. Number 5. Multiple Frontierlands around the world. Frontierland is in many of the Disney theme parks. We would definitely believe that this is likely because of the fun nature of the land and the influence that Walt Disney had in its creation. There is a Frontierland in Disneyland at California, which is the very first Frontierland. Then we have the one at Magic Kingdom in Florida. There is also one at Tokyo Disneyland, Disneyland Paris, and Hong Kong Disneyland. The attractions and experiences vary from park to park, but the theme of the lands is about the same. It was not a land that was included for the opening of Shanghai Disneyland, but we never know what the future will hold. Number 4. Opening Day Attractions. Frontierland was one of the lands that was a part of the Magic Kingdom for the opening in 1971. When the park first opened, Frontierland opened with 3 attractions. The attractions were the Walt Disney Railroad, which was a station for guests to enter and exit the land and see more of the land from the train, Davy Crockett's Explorer Canoes and Country Bear Jamboree. Davy Crockett's Explorer Canoes is no longer in existence and was closed in 1994, but the other 2 attractions are still in operation at the Magic Kingdom today. Number 3. Attractions added. Since the park and land first opened, there have only been a few attractions that have been added. The first was Tom Sawyer Island, which was first opened in 1973. It took 17 years more before another attraction was added to the area. Big Thunder Mountain Railroad finally debuted for guests to enjoy in 1980. It took another 11 years before Frontierland would see another major attraction, which was the addition of Splash Mountain in 1992. Since then, there haven't really been any other additions to Frontierland, so maybe now that Fantasyland has received such an overhaul, Frontierland will get a turn for a new attraction for guests to enjoy. Number 2. Splash Mountain caused more construction than just the ride. When Splash Mountain was constructed, there was a ton of work that had to be done in order to prepare the area for the new attraction. The entire area where the attraction sits had to be demolished, including the Walt Disney World Railroad Station. The area that was demolished was the entire western end of the land, except for the area where Big Thunder Mountain sits. The attraction was then built along with a brand new 2-story train station for guests to enjoy the Walt Disney World Railroad. A new parade route was also built so that parade cars could enter and exit the land. The parade route is still used for parades at the park today. Number 1. Original concept of Thunder Mesa. The northwestern end of the park was supposed to receive a massive pavilion-styled e-ticket attraction complex known as Thunder Mesa, with a headlining attraction being the Western River Expedition. As part of Phase 1 of the Magic Kingdom, Thunder Mesa would have been located on the current plots of Splash Mountain and Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. The main building that would have housed the Western River Expedition would have been larger than any show building in the Magic Kingdom at the time, larger than any other actually built for the park in years since. To understand the immense size of space that Thunder Mesa would have encompassed, consider this. If you were standing on the bridge, looking at Splash Mountain, you might be inside the building, as would most of the area that currently houses Splash Mountain and Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. Thunder Mesa was to be Walt Disney World's version of Pirates of the Caribbean. It was thought by many Disney higher-ups that a Pirates ride would not be popular in Florida because of the close proximity to the Caribbean and the history of the state with pirates. Because of this, Mark Davis, a former Disney animator and creator of the Pirates attraction in California, was given the task of creating an attraction that would mirror Pirates in concept, but would revolve around a theme that the visitors from Florida would enjoy. Among the ideas that were pitched within WED Enterprises was a concept revolving around the Old West, which the Disney higher-ups believed would be a hit with Florida guests. The plan that was created out of Davis's thoughts, concepts, and models was eventually called Thunder Mesa. The ideas around this concept were endless. A runaway mine train, which was eventually realized in Big Thunder Mountain, a series of hiking trails amongst waterfalls and Indian villages, and a possible pack mule ride. The prize attraction within this massive show building would have been the Western River Expedition, an indoor boat ride that would have taken guests through the heart of the Thunder Mesa and shown scenes of cowboys and historical America. These attractions were so far along that, on top of scaled modeling being completed and presented to Disney Brass, Buddy Baker was working on a score for a theme song for the Western River Expedition attraction. Also, full-size model audio animatronics were being produced to show higher-ups what the attraction could look like when finished. The real testament to how far along this attraction got was how Disney heavily promoted the attraction on park maps after the opening of Magic Kingdom. And the Walt Disney Story, an audio animatronic owl named Hoot Gibson, spoke to park guests about what was coming and presented a small model. Disney was ready to begin construction on this attraction just prior to the park's opening in October 1971. So what exactly was the reason that we did not see this immense building built in Frontierland? Why is it that most people have never heard of Thunder Mesa? Well, factors relating to budget, the 1970s oil shortage, and guest demand for Pirates of the Caribbean led this project to being cancelled. The area sat empty until Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, an attraction spun off from the runaway train ride portion of Big Thunder Mesa's concept, opened in 1980. This has been 6 facts about Frontierland at Walt Disney World. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and comment down below what you would have liked to see out of Frontierland. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.